Welcome Cryptopians to Total Crypto Updates, bringing you another video for real deep dives into the crypto industry. I can't promise to only speak about crypto, but I can promise everything will be understood. Let's dive into today's very dense crypto update. Remember to like and subscribe for the support of this channel. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy learning how to earn crypto for free. Today we will dive into the Coin app. The Coin app makes it possible for you to earn rewards no matter where you are by using your smartphone, and you can do this while also taking part in mini games and interacting with other geominers. Coin app gives you a certain amount of Coin app's native coin for different tasks, which are called coin. Coin can be used on the Coin app system to redeem XYO, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. You will also see other options in the redeemable rewards section later in the video. Also, you can redeem crypto directly to your COINBASE wallet and most likely have to wait 3 to 5 business days. Coin app does a very good job of keeping you up to date with your reward payout, and has an active administration for any issues you will run into. Coin app can be complex on how to optimize your rewards, but the app itself is like riding a bike. Once you have a feel for it, you will see Coin app is very push and go. We will deep dive on ways to receive the highest reward, and how to collect them. Coin app has a compounding reward payout system if you use it right. Let's start the process on earning free crypto to optimize your portfolio. There will be an affiliate link below. Use the referral link at the bottom to earn a free 1,000 coin just for signing up. Coin app can be used without paying a dime, but still holds inside application purchases to earn greater rewards. Furthermore, we feel this app is good and should be useful to everyone. Let's head over to the official website to get a feel for this app before we dive in. Now that we are on Coin app's official website, which will be in the links below, I am going to read directly off the page for more insight on how Coin app will pay you, and their geo-mining integrated payment system. First, what is geo-mining? It's the process of getting valuable digital goods or assets from a real-world location. In a crypto sense, they are using your network's location data and paying you to do so. Let's go ahead and read directly off the Coin app official website. The Coin app uses XYO network's open source technology to add verification to the data you create. But remember, your data is shared anonymously and with cryptographic security. Here's why Coin pays you for this information. Your travel data helps us build the XYO network. The network relies on big data to create value, and by sharing your travel data, you can get paid to be an anonymous part of the network. You can redeem the coin you earn for your data for digital currencies, or even physical prizes like gaming systems, tablets, and more. How does Coin app work? Launched in early 2019, Coin is a mobile app enabling over 5 million users to earn digital assets for validating geospatial location data when traveling, commuting, jogging, or moving about the real world while interacting with each other and enjoying in-app challenges. Where does it work? Earn coin wherever you have GPS, Wi-Fi, or data connection. Coin app doesn't use much cell data, so you can still binge Netflix or crush some candy without capping your monthly data limit. What can I earn? You can redeem the coin you earn for physical or digital items. This ranges from Bluetooth speakers to digital currencies you can sell on exchanges. It's your coin, you decide. Why are you doing this? Tons of apps and products collect location data, but almost none of them give you rewards in exchange for your data. Stop earning nothing for your valuable data. Use Coin and earn what you deserve. Before we get into the actual app, here are a few ways to maximize Coin rewards with extension devices. First, we have the Sentinel X BLE, a sleek Bluetooth device with a replaceable battery. With up to a 150-foot range, the Sentinel X BLE offers hands-free, constant coin rewards boost, and a perfect keychain-ready design. Next, we have the Sentinel X NFC, a slim near-field communications card that can be tapped for a temporary coin rewards boost. No battery required, waterproof, and perfect for a handy wallet device. Now let's head over to the Coin app for a full guide on the different functions and operations that Coin app has to offer. After you open the Coin app, you will see a map of your general location. On top of this map, you will see a bunch of icons on the left, right, bottom, and top of the screen. We will be going through all of this together. Now if you click on the orange umbrella with a box connected to it, like a care package on Call of Duty, you will see it provide you a cardboard box. Tap that cardboard box and it should take you to the bonus drop screen where you collect your daily bonuses for your activity or any offline location data uses. After clicking done, it will bring you back out into the general map of your location and you will see that the bonus drive icon has been removed. In its place is or might be the 3-star icon. This 3-star icon gives you access to all of the big network XYO mines that give you instant rewards for pressing the checkmark. You must be one of the first 200 people to press the checkmark to receive the instant reward. If not, you can still earn sweepstake tickets for clicking the big XYO mine. Even if you know you won't get the instant rewards, you should still participate for the sweepstakes tickets. Click the boxed X at the top to go back to the map. Once you're at the map, you'll see the Android icon give out a notification stating, "Ready to collect." Click on the icon to receive your background rewards. After clicking the collect button, it should instantly transfer all the coins that were ready for you to collect directly to your Coin app account. Once back to the map, head over to the gold coins icon directly underneath the green Android icon to receive your HODL coin rewards. HODL rewards are coin rewards that you can collect once per day inside the Coin app, based on your compatible holdings. This column keeps track of your daily rewards received. After clicking collect, head back over to the map. Next, you will see a gray icon with an abstract of shapes on the bottom right corner below the HODL icon. Press this button to either scan your extension devices we spoke about earlier or actually buy them. If you would like to know more, please go to support on the coinapp.co website. The link is in the description. After doing this, and on the map again, go to the purple icon with a box and a star located on the right of the screen. This will help you keep track of the bonus drops power and next power up. Here are a few things you should know about the bonus drops. Coin app users receive weekly bonus drops. Daily coin amounts vary in these weekly geo drops. Geo mining, geo dropping, and geo claiming can power up your bonus drops, making these geo drops exceptional. Power up this bonus drop up to 10 times the base quantity. Premium accounts start with bonus drop enhancements. Plus accounts geo drop starts at 2x power up. Pro accounts have 3x power up. Master accounts have 6x power up. Premium accounts also power up faster at the same multiples. Geo drops will provide this bonus drop weekly. Next, we will go to the neon green clipboard after returning to the map. This neon green clipboard icon is above the purple bonus drop icon and is referred to as the rewards tasks column. This column you will see 5 neon green icons, which mean that you have 5 opportunities currently available. The first opportunity will be engaging surveys, the next one will be rewarded play, which is earning coin by playing certain mobile game apps, till a certain level or achievement in the game. The next one will be special offers where you can sign up and earn coin. The fourth neon green icon will be product scans. Product scans are in-store scavenger hunts where you scan certain items in a certain store for coin. The fifth opportunity will be store visits, which you will be able to do while going on a drive anywhere. All you have to do is pass a store that has advertisement on coin, hit the play button and watch an advertisement, or for the sake of safety listen for another coin reward. Please make sure that you are not operating the vehicle while you are using this app unless it's on Auto Explore where you don't have to interact with it but it will still use your location to receive maximum coin rewards every mile or two. Following that, head over to the left side of the map to the lime green play button icon with a black background on the left-hand side of the screen. Pressing this icon will allow you to earn more coin by watching ads for a specific amount of coins. You can also triple the amount of coins you receive by pressing the green button underneath, the no thanks and yes please tabs. If you choose not to watch the ad, the opportunity will be gone until the next one arrives. Also, you must turn this on in the main setting in the avatar icon at the top of your screen. Moving on to the blue icon on the top right of the map, underneath the compass. This blue icon has 4 white squares inside the icon and is an interface to select the kind of geo mining you would like to participate in. The 4 modes of geo mining consist of open exploration, with where you can use the app freely to explore, gamified travel, have fun on the way to your destinations, physical exercise where the app will calculate the steps you take, and mental exercise, where the app will give you a bunch of mental exercise mini games to expand your mind. Clicking the settings button on the top right, which looks like a gear, will take you to the settings mode where you can select a physical exercise goal in steps, or select a mental exercise goal as in how many mini games you're limited to. Now heading to the icons at the bottom of the screen on the map. The pickaxe in the center of the bottom of the screen is what you need to mine your location. Let's say the Auto Explorer mines your location already, or you manually mine the square you're in, as I did in the video. Press the square highlighted on the map to mine again. This will take you to a mini game you must complete to mine the square. Finish the mini game to collect the coins and do it again and again. After your 3rd time mining the same location, a bigger box will appear. This is known as a home base. Anyone mining in this area will automatically reward you every time they collect coin in this area. Next, at the bottom left corner, you will find the orange care package looking icon called a Geo Drop. In this icon you can choose how much coin you would like to drop on the tile you are on. Click whether you want to drop on the current tile or any tile. You can also restrict the drop to certain emails or write notes to the people who collect them when they pass over the tile and mine. They will automatically pick up your coin and your message if there are no restrictions. Moving on to the purple flag geoclaim icon on the bottom right of the screen. To geoclaim a territory, tap the purple flag covered circular button and then the green +5 coin button, +5 basic, +10 plus, +15 pro, +30 master. New coin app users must unlock this feature by geo-mining. This will subtract the amount from your coin total and apply it to the geoclaim, making you eligible for additional geo-mining rewards in the region. If there are other owners, you can contribute coin to the geoclaim to increase your share. Note, you must be in the location you want to geoclaim, however you will get prizes for all your geoclaimed areas regardless. To wrap up this wonderful video, earning crypto is so easy on the Coin app. Head to the map at the top of the screen and press the coin icon that reveals all the coin you've accumulated. This will take you to the Rewards Redeeming tab. Here you can see a variety of different rewards offered to you. Redeem rewards such as XYO Network Coin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. You can also trade your coin in for a Nintendo Switch, Oculus glasses, and so on. That will conclude today's update on trending news in the crypto world. Thank you for watching if you made it all the way through. Stay tuned, we are an active admin. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and never be afraid to voice your opinion. Tell us in the comments what you think, and give us some suggestions on what kind of content you'd like us to deep dive into. Until next time, good day, good night, and goodbye.